Hi parents! Teeth grinding in kids is not normal, and it can actually be a sign that their airway is struggling. When a child grinds at night, it's often their body trying to keep the airway open. If they're mouth breathing, have enlarged tonsils, allergies, or a narrow palate, their brain works harder just to keep them breathing, and grinding is one of the ways it compensates. So instead of asking how to stop the grinding, the real question is, why is it happening? Grinding is not just a phase, it's a signal that something may be deeper going on with your child's sleep and breathing. If your child is grinding, follow and learn for more airway facts every parent should know.